Hello students, Shahaji Thomare from Solapur. Today I am going to present a very important poem for the 10th English. The name of the poem is Basketful of Moonlight. Basketful of Moonlight is a beautiful poem and it is written by Indian poet Sunil Sharma. Students, Basketful of Moonlight in Marathi, टोपलीभर चंद्र प्रकाश. Very beautiful poem. And important thing is that it is written by Indian poet Sunil Sharma. Students, before watching my video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon in order that maximum students will get an opportunity to watch maximum videos. So please, before watching my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. So students, the first part of this poem I am going to present from chit chat activities. In the first part, just I am going to present only chit chat activities. पहिल्यांदा आपण चिट चॅट ऍक्टिव्हिटी बद्दल आपण चर्चा करूया या पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, did you like to hear bedtime stories when you were a child? Yes, I liked to hear bedtime stories when I was a child. Who usually told you the bedtime stories? My grandparents usually told me the bedtime stories. Why did you like them? I liked the stories because I got entertainment or because I was amused by listening those stories. Do you still like to hear those stories again? Yes, I like those stories again. I like to hear those stories again. Next, number and activity. Discuss in groups about the procedure of planting a tree. Write the steps in bullet points and present it before the class. Students, all of you know what is the exact procedure of planting a tree. In your school, you might have planted a tree or sapling every year, and you know the process. झाड लावण्याची जी प्रोसिजर आहे ते आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहित आहे. जस्ट वी हॅव टू राईट द स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट, we can write in very short: dig a ditch, sow a seed into the ditch, cover it with soil, and last add water and fertilizers. Or we can write like this way: dig the planting hole, then loosen the roots and remove the nursery stake. Then place the tree in the center of the hole or the ditch. Then build a soil burn. Then stake the tree. Then tie the tree with a stick. And last, water the tree thoroughly. Students, next activity number 2. Discuss in pairs and write what your father and mother do for your family. All of you know, students, our father and mother, they are always ready to help us. They always take care of us. Parents, their role is important in your life. They perform their duties for the better future of you. तुमच्या उज्ज्वल भविष्यासाठी फादर अँड मदर खूप कष्ट करतात. जस्ट वी हॅव टू राईट what your father do for your family and what your mother do for your family. So father works hard to earn a living. Father loves all the family members. Father inculcate good culture, provide books and notebooks, provide good education, teach our children to work hard, guides or advise to inculcate good habits. This is the role of father in our family. Mother also works hard for our family, cooking food, keep the house clean, washing clothes, taking study, sewing clothes, wake up early and start to work, cooks delicious food, takes care of all family members. This is the role of mother in our family. So in short, father and mother both work hard for the better future or for the betterment of our family. So students, in this video, just I have covered the chit-chat activities of the poem Basket Full of Moonlight. So in my next video, I will cover explanation of the poem, then figures of speech and appreciation of the poem, and then I will cover margin space activities and English workshop. So in this video, just I covered chit chat activities. So enjoy this video, subscribe YouTube channel and press bell icon. Thank you so much.